The challenge is on. It's time for the Blue Springs School District's annual Community Unity event, October the 10th through the 14th. Blue Springs versus Blue Springs South. Although a victory in either event would grant bragging rights, Community Unity has a much deeper meaning for the city of Blue Springs.
Community Services League is a fully integrated service for all of our neighbors here in the community. We provide financial coaching, employment coaching, the basic needs for our neighbors to reach economic stability. Community Unity Week, it is our Christmas. We cannot wait for this week every year because the items that come in, they sustain Blue Springs Community Services League office for over 6 months. Normally our shelves are filled up to the ceiling. All of these are filled and sometimes we have boxes sitting around. So right now this looks really barren. This is kind of what it looks like right before Community Unity Week. We depend on this to serve our neighbors in need. Without this donation, it would be so much more difficult throughout the year. Last year we received 77,000 items and that sustained us for over 6 months, and we were also able to share with other local pantries in the area. This is our do or die event. We are so excited, and we're more excited about the students that participate in this event because we know that these kiddos do not have to do this, but it shows that the next generation coming up, they want to serve their community, and that makes it all the more special to me.
I've been involved with Community Unity since pretty much 3rd grade with collecting cans across the schools. And it's just been really cool to see as the years progress of how kids bring in more and more cans every year.
I think that this is a great way to get the younger kids involved, like whenever they see the older kids donating to community service, it makes them want to do it whenever they're older. And it just keeps the cycle going.
Creating nice friendly competition between the schools, which really makes people bringing more goods and create a better environment for the community. So last year, just like gathering all the goods from each classroom and bringing it all together, you really see how much your school can provide, and you just like get that feeling of helping others and like loading it into the trucks and it's going to something so much better.
Inspiring to see like how big of an impact one school can have on everyone else in the community.
Just know that you are helping people's lives so much, and people really need it, and it helps them put their foot in the ground and just get to where they need to be.
So Community Unity Week is very important to me because I love being that extra helping hand to our Blue Springs community here in the district.
Last year, after Community Unity Week was over, we went to the actual pantry at Community Services League and we unpacked all the boxes, and the owner of it all came out and she started talking to us, and she actually started crying, and it really made it all, the moment, so surreal. And you just that's when I realized wow, this is making such an impact, and you don't realize that until you're actually there in the moment. I think it really opened a perspective of how much we're giving back to the community.
The Blue Springs School District's annual Community Unity event, October the 10th through the 14th. On the field, victory is decided by the players. Off the field, victory is decided by you. But the real winner is the Blue Springs community. The challenge is on.